everybody, welcome to our reading class. Today we are going to celebrate Zachari's birthday. So today we have a person who is having a new year, is turning a new year. So Zachary, happy birthday, God bless you. And let's start with our reading class. Okay, so today in our reading class, we're going to learn all about sweet things. Yes, so open your book Reading and Comprehension. Open your Reading and Comprehension book on page 17. Open your book on page 17. The title says Sweet Treats. So it's a story about a boy that is on a bakery. Yes, and he is there like washing around all the delicious cupcakes and also all the delicious cakes and all the donuts, all the things that he can eat. He is like observing. So, here we are in our bakery. So, this boy was in a place like this, and he was making the line in order to wait to buy something inside of the bakery. So you can find a lot of delicious things like donuts, like cupcakes. They are so delicious. And pieces of cakes here we have. At the end, this boy decided to get one donut. And that donut was about one fruit. And the fruit was this one. Blueberries. So, what you're going to do is that you're going to read all this page. After you read all the page, you're going to complete the first activity. The activity number 1. The test answers the question and follow the direction. So, then what kind of place was the place where the story was developed? The correct one is a bakery. Then you're going to look for some words, those words that I have here. You're going to look for them in the letter soup. And after that, you're going to complete the activity number 3. Using the hints from the puzzle to write a list, one detail for each sense in the chart. So here we have the 5 senses. Now, here we just have 4. Taste, sound, smell, and sight. Taste, sound, smell, and sight. So what you're going to do is that here you have some words, right? Sweet, dim, louder, shorter, noisy, sugar, cinnamon, and donut. In case that you don't know what is cinnamon, here I have a picture. This is cinnamon. So, you're going to write here one word for each one of the senses. In taste, sweet, because you can taste the sweet things. In sound, noisy, because it's something that you can hear. Smell, cinnamon. And sight, donut. That was everything for today's reading class. I hope you enjoy this reading. Please keep safe. I'm sending blessings and see you until the next class. Bye.